The weather here in Nashville has been in the low 70s, and that's Fahrenheit, for a week now. So I've kind of, even though I'm wearing a sweater, but I've kind of acclimated to the warmer weather. I was just checking the 10-day forecast for Germany, and it is going to be in the low 40s. So it's going to be drastically colder. So that's depressing. It's just something you gotta put up with if you want to travel a lot. So let's get to packing. So you may have seen in other packing videos that I have this black table. This was just an extra cheap table that I had when I moved to Nashville and needed a place for. So I just have it constantly set up in my bedroom, and it works perfectly to prop my suitcase on. So instead of getting my dirty suitcase with the wheels and everything on my bed and getting that messed up, I can just keep it on my table as I'm packing. So you can see here underneath the table, I have my shoes planned out. So I'm going to be taking some white street sneakers, my tennis shoes, because I'm going to be going on some hikes and probably working out, and then some black ankle boots. So I've already laid out my clothes on my bed into piles. And so here is what I have planned so far. Here's my pile of pants. So I'm going to be in Germany for a week. So I have one pair of athletic leggings for when we go on a hike, a pair of black legging pants, and a pair of jeans. For my sweaters, I am bringing a green sweater and this white sweater, which you may recognize this from my Florida vlog. I just recently bought that. And then here's my stack of shirts. So I have a t-shirt for in case things warm up, 2 camis that will go underneath my clothes, and this will help me get more longevity out of my clothes that go over that. I have a black long sleeve shirt, a gray long sleeve shirt, navy, and a maroon long sleeve shirt. I am planning on doing laundry at my cousin's, so that will help me to be able to clean and potentially rewear some of these clothes. This is my pile for my airport outfit. I have a t-shirt and black leggings. Now I know this is controversial. A lot of people are against wearing leggings in public, especially on the airplane, but these are very stretchy and comfortable. And when you're in the air on a plane, your stomach can bloat more easily. So having looser fitting clothes around your stomach area, if you're going to be sitting for long periods of time, is definitely beneficial. So that is why I'm wearing these. And then I have a black sweatshirt that I can lay over that and also wear on other days of my trip. I am bringing a navy jacket that is water resistant in case it rains. And if the weather warms up just slightly, then this can serve as a good outerwear. And I am also bringing my winter coat on the plane with me, but I'm packing this one. I've already packed in a packing cube all of my undergarments, so my socks, underwear, and bras, so you don't need to see that. My pile for my pajamas, pants, and a shirt. And I will be packing some gloves, a hat, and a scarf. I have my packing cubes out. I don't know if I'm going to be using packing cubes for this trip or not. I am packing carry-on only, but let's see how all of this fits into my suitcase and whether I'm going to need packing cubes or not. I think I've decided not to use packing cubes for my suitcase. I think I'm just going to leave it the way it is, since I am packing bulkier items with 2 sweaters and that pair of jeans along with other clothing items. I want to be able to maximize space and pack things like in the crevice and contort them. And sometimes packing in packing cubes just kind of limits you. And plus, I'm not going to be moving around in multiple cities. I'm just going to be staying in one city. I mean, I will take day trips, so the need for the organization and that piece isn't as necessary for this trip. So won't be using packing cubes outside of for my undergarments. And then I am using a packing cube for my personal items. And just in case my suitcase needs to be checked, I have saved a pair of pants and 2 shirts, long sleeve and a t-shirt, as well as some undergarments to the side so that I can put them in a packing cube and put them in my personal item, which I'm going to be using my backpack, just so I have some extra clothes in case my suitcase needs to be checked and perhaps does not arrive with me when I land in Germany. For my liquids bag, I have some sunscreen, shampoo and conditioner, some body lotion because it's going to be colder and so my skin will dry out, some hair mousse, heat tamer, some toothpaste, some prescription face ointment, some contact solution, body wash, some face soap, perfume, some potpourri for the bathroom, and then an extra set of contacts just in case the ones that I'm wearing rip. I'll have an extra set. So that is my liquids bag. For my DOP bathroom kit, I have some retainer cleaner tabs, deodorant, some floss picks, some Q-tips, my retainer, hair comb, and my hairbrush. And then here is my makeup bag. I use minimal makeup, so I keep my brushes in a Ziploc bag, some mascara, different kinds, eyeshadow, blush, all kind of just minimal, and this bag can fold down too, so I can add more, but I don't really wear a ton of makeup. And then for my toothbrush, I do have an electric toothbrush, which I love an electric toothbrush. And I do have a case that goes with it. So that'll keep my toothbrush protected. Packing the left side of my suitcase, I do have a bag for my shoes to help contain any dirt that are on the bottom of my shoes from getting elsewhere in my suitcase. So let's see if we can fit my black ankle boots and my sneakers in this one shoe bag without it being too bulky. Let's see if we can do that. Okay, well that is a little tight, but I was able to fit it. Kind of shimmy these around to make it fit a little bit better. Okay, so we'll have that at the bottom. We'll have the heaviest thing on the bottom, which is my shoes. Place my bathroom bag, my liquids bag here in the corner. It's my makeup bag. I just have some basics in it that I'll just squeeze here. I don't go all out in my makeup, so it's easy to just squeeze that down. I do have my electric toothbrush in here that I'll squeeze here. Actually, I might put this here on the side in this little crevice. No, that doesn't seem like it fits, so I'll put it right there. I am bringing my travel hair dryer. My cousin said she had a hair dryer, but she doesn't dry her hair that much, so I'll just bring my own here in the corner. Travel hair straightener. Just go right there on the top. And then I am bringing this sling bag flattened with nothing in it. If you watch my sling bag videos, this is one that I recommend for travel. Since we are gonna do some day trips and hikes, I thought this would be good to have. So I'm just gonna lay this flat on the top. Okay, let's see if this closes. Push down on it. Oh yeah. Sorry for that noise. I honestly wasn't sure if I was going to be able to get both my tennis shoes and my ankle boots in the shoe bag, but it fits. So let's move on to my personal item, which I use my backpack. I'm gonna start with the big pocket. And I'm gonna pack my scarf, gloves. I'm actually gonna put my gloves in my hat so I don't lose them. But my hat and scarf. If I need a pillow or extra warmth on the plane, I can pull these out. But I'm gonna put these at the bottom. Throw my passport with my global entry card and other travel documents. I'm gonna put that in this little inside pocket here. And then that packing cube with some extra clothes is going in here to the side. And then this is my medicine bag that I have some Excedrin, ginger chews in case I get nauseous, my motion sickness pills. I do have some Crystal Light with caffeine. So if I need some extra caffeine right when I get off the plane, and I can just dump this in my water bottle instead of having to get some coffee depending on what time it is, and have those. I do have some extra tissues because allergy season, my nose is running. Got some Advil, some gum. So a lot of things in here in case I need it. This will go here on the side. And then my purse. This is flattened. There's nothing in it just because I want to have my wallet accessible. Oh my gosh, can you hear my upstairs neighbors just moving around furniture? So I'll just put that behind. My electronics bag with all of my cables and wall plugins and my noise machine. And then I am bringing, I just have some individual European adapters as well as a multi-use. So I have different options. I'll put this all in here. Put that in there. And that is what I have for the big pocket. For my smaller pocket, I have my glasses case. So I can change into my glasses. I do bring a phone stand that is packable. So in case the screen on the back of the seat for the in-flight entertainment doesn't work, I can just prop my phone on this and watch shows that I've downloaded. My portable power bank, easy accessible, charge my phone, my corded earbuds, and then my AirPods if I want a cordless option. I do bring both. And then my wallet. So I do have 2 sets of debit cards and credit cards. So I keep one set of debit card and credit card in this little slip, and then the other set in this main wallet. So I will put this inside my pocket. So in case I drop, there we go. So in case I drop this or someone pickpockets my wallet, I do have 2 sets of debit and credit cards on me. Now, depending where I'm at, I will keep this in different pockets because I am aware of having it in this front pocket can be easily pickpocketed. If I'm having my backpack on my bag in like a train station, I will usually put a lock here on these zippers tied together or some sort of zip tie so it's harder to access if I'm not facing these pockets, so pickpocketers have a harder time getting in. My umbrella and empty water bottle on the sides. Okay, so I am bringing my laptop, so we'll slide that in. And then I'm just gonna put my charging cable for my laptop in this front pocket because I have some extra room as well. Now I do have some extra space in here that I will get some snacks to put here on top. I just have some different individual package of trail mix. Give me some food in my stomach if I need that. And there is my personal item. My airport outfit here, since I am leaving tomorrow, I will have that ready to put on tomorrow. And my airport shoes and my coat is in the coat closet, but I should be all good. Okay, so I'm pretty much all packed now for my trip tomorrow. One thing I did want to mention is after I get home from each trip, if I have any extra cash in the local currency of where I'm coming from, then I will usually put it in a Ziploc bag. So when I got back from my Rome to Barcelona trip a couple months ago, I still had some cash left over. So I put the currency, so it's euros, and the year, just in case I don't go back to that destination for a while. If I return and pull out the Ziploc bag with that currency, I can check the year that this currency was used, do a quick little Google search to see if that's still the currency that is in use in that country. And if it is, then I will bring that cash with me. So I do have some euros that are still in use that I can use in Germany. So I will put this in my wallet to have some cash already with me as soon as I land in Germany. So I'm so excited for my trip to Germany. Stay tuned. I will be vlogging that trip. I will be in Germany for a week, kind of exploring some different cities and doing a solo day trip a couple times. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao for now.